I'm going to walk you through how to add a Canvas add-on to your site. So I'm in my current editor inside of Showit. I click on my name on the bottom left and click on Add to Library. You're going to enter in your design key here that you were provided when you purchased. It should be in a PDF. And once you paste that in, you click on Add Design. The easiest and fastest way to do this is to go ahead and import the whole design as a page. So if I'm in my pages on the left hand side, make sure your site tab is selected and click on the plus sign next to the pages. Click on Add from Library, My Library, and you're going to want to find the horizontal scroll. Under Pages, click on Horizontal Scroll, which is the page we want to add. If you click on Apply My Fonts and Colors, it will apply all of your fonts and colors to it. If you'd rather use the original and not your own design, which is possible, you could click on just use original design, but chances are Apply My Fonts and Colors, click on Add. So here it is added as a brand new page. Now you can see over here custom CSS and page loaded JavaScript is all filled out under the advanced settings. So for example, click on the page, click on the page tab. Under this main page name, if that's selected, then all this right information will pop up and it is under the advanced settings. So you want to keep all that in place. And also you want to keep these canvases named the same. So services, services 2, and services 3. Do not rename these canvases, but you can go ahead and design them however you want and they are going to work perfectly. For example, let's preview. All right, so here's the preview. So I scroll down, you can see they are scrolling, everything's working properly, beautiful. So say you wanted to add these canvases to a different page, you could definitely do that, but the quickest way is going to be to edit this specific page and just rename the page. Click on the Site tab, and then under the 3 bars next to the name, you could click on Rename. So say you wanted it to be like your services page, I would just rename it Services. Okay, now, and then you can go ahead and add different canvases and change the design of this page. Now, if you wanted to just add these canvases to an already designed page, you don't want to do all that. You just need to make sure you copy the custom CSS and JavaScript into the page you want to add it to. So let me show you how to do that. So make sure the page is selected, page tab, and then the actual name of the page, right hand side, custom CSS. I'm going to select all, copy. I'm going to go to the page I want to add it to. So for this example, let's go to the contact page. Here's my contact page. So I'm going to click on the template. Click on the contact tab under custom CSS. I'm going to click that, paste. So this is actually in there twice. I'm going to get rid of that. Click on save. And then I'm going to go back to my previous page, services. Click on the JavaScript, copy all of your JavaScript. I'm just selecting and clicking Command C for copy, Control C if you're on a PC. And then I'm going to go back to the page that I wanted in contact. And I'm going to paste all of that into the page loaded JavaScript and click on save. So as you can see, custom CSS, page loaded JavaScript is all loaded. So now I can go ahead and just pull in those 3 canvases. So in my contact page, I'm going to click on template, click on the right 3 dots over by the name, click on add from library, current site, go to the page you want to grab it from, which is services. And you're going to want to import each canvas one at a time. Services, services 2, and services 3. So you can see it's here. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other 2 so you can see that it does work. Yep. Services 2, add from library, services 3, and I'm going to add. So here's my 3 canvases. I'm going to preview so you can see that it works. Desktop view. Scroll down, there they are, working beautifully. All right, and then you can design these canvases however you want. So you can completely change the design of these just like you would any other canvas inside of Showit. And that's it. That's how you get the horizontal scroll to work.